5 reasons, in my opinion, why maritime profession is an awesome profession. Hi guys, myself Kamal. Welcome to my channel CMS Vlog. Today I am going to discuss about 5 reasons why maritime profession is an awesome profession. It's always a challenging profession, as we all know that maritime profession is not an easy profession. We have to stay on board for a long time. So first point is salary. Everyone concerned about salary, but salary vary and depend upon company and depend upon rank, which rank you are selling. But sure, you'll get a handsome salary depend upon the land job. Here you will get a good salary in compared to land. And also in land job we have to pay for the clothing, lunch money, transportation. But here in maritime profession, this all three thing is being saved. Here we get lunch from company, food every time from company, we get the cloth from the company, and we don't have to go anywhere for the job because every time we have to stay on shift. So this is the first point.
Second point, different types of culture. A professional involved in a merchant marine career gets to meet and mingle with people of different culture and nationalities. This helps the individual to understand and function better as a team player and learn the importance of different culture and tradition at the same time. This automatically increase adaptability and bring about more awareness about what goes and what doesn't in a different country. Likewise, in our vessel, we have Indonesian captain, Indonesian AB cook, as well as Indonesian chief engineer. And we every time we used to make joke of each other, but at the same time we also know their culture, especially their food, what kind of food they used to eat, and they used to eat healthy food like boiled food. So this is what I learned by working with Indonesian crew. Also in our port where we stay, there are so many other also nationalities like African, Tanzania, Philippines. Working with Philippines also you'll get to learn so many different experience because they are very hardworking guys. Third point, travel the world wide while earning salary. This is the point which all the mariner like and also non-mariner they believe that all the mariner they used to visit different countries, but it varies. It depend upon the vessel which you are working. If you are working on a bulk carrier, sure you'll get a chance to visit different port, different country all the time. But in case if you are working on a tanker vessel, you never even able to get a chance to see a port sometime. Basically I work on a crew boat, and before that I was working on a tug vessel. Till now I visited only two countries, and I visited Vizag port in Visakhapatnam. There I get to chance to visit so many different places like RK Beach, Buda Kalaskiri. After that I joined in Dubai. In Dubai I visited Dubai Mall, Global Village. After that I came to Saudi. In Saudi I visited so many places.
Fourth point is tax exemption. All Everybody is familiar with the term tax exemption. Everybody know whoever work on board have a benefit of tax exemption, but it depends upon the law of the country in which you are living. Like I am from India, if we are working on board for more than 183 days, so we have a tax exemption. So at least 10% of our salary is being saved. This is also one of the benefits.
Fifth point, long vacation. Like in land job, you used to work from Monday to Friday and get a vacation of Saturday or Sunday. But since the nature of our job, marine line, we require long worship period. The vacation offered to merchant marine professionals are equally compensating. This enables this professional to enjoy the best of both land and water. A 2 to 4 month vacation is definitely long enough to unwind and follow all our passions and also spend a good time with our family member. The vacation of seafarer gets in its truest form. There is absolutely no stress of work while a seafarer is back home and he gets to enjoy the time with the family to the fullest.
So this is the 5 reasons in my opinion why merchant navy is an awesome profession. But basically this is my opinion. Some of you agree, some of you might not agree. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any other opinion, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.